Vintage bus starts a historic day. Rosa Parks sits wearily, her face reflecting the exhaustion of a long day's work. The white bus driver barks an order. Move to the back of the bus, nigger. Give up your seat for the white man. With quiet resolve, Rosa Parks responds with one word: no. A sea of faces stretches out before the Lincoln Memorial. United in anticipation, Martin Luther King Jr. stands at the podium, his presence commanding and filled with purpose. His voice echoes with unwavering conviction, carrying the weight of a dream. The camera sweeps across the diverse crowd, capturing faces etched with hope and determination. The power of King's words washes over the multitude, binding them together in a shared vision of equality. A multitude of peaceful marchers, including John Lewis, advance onto the Edmund Pettus Bridge, their steps resolute. A wall of police officers materializes, their faces stern, blocking the marchers' path. The officers surge forward, batons swinging with brutal force. Tear gas canisters explode, engulfing the air in choking clouds as screams echo. The bridge transforms into a scene of chaos, filled with the acrid stench of tear gas.